Hello everyone, Dr. Miller here to walk you through the Canvas page for our Tech Edge course. So I'm not going to walk you through all the links on the home page here because they're the same for most teachers. I do have links to Zoom here, so the office hours that will be open during my prep periods, which you can see here. I'm not going to actually have it open all of the time, but if you have a question, just send me an email, I'll open it up and we can meet. Lunch, I might not be available to do that, but it doesn't hurt to send me an email if you have a question and see if I can open it up. The daily Zoom is what we'll use for class every day. So that'll be open during class time, and you'll click on the link here to open the Zoom. So daily agenda, that links to our Remind announcements, because I'll use Remind instead of the built-in Canvas announcements for any course announcements. And I do try to keep the Canvas page as simple as possible. So course materials takes you to modules. Modules is where you'll go every day to see what you have to do in the course. So the first section here is Welcome to Tech Edge. There's an About Tech Edge that gives you a little information about the course, has a link to the syllabus, and the video I'm recording right now. In order to move on to the next unit, you will have to complete a couple things here. There's some surveys, some other stuff. So all you need to do is you'll click on the link. When you finish it, you check Mark is done. And once you've done that for everything, it'll allow you to move on. For assignments where you actually have to turn something in, a lot of times you'll be turning in a link, but sometimes you'll be turning in actual files, especially when we're doing stuff with the Google Suite. So for the link, there's an option for a website URL that you just paste here. For Google, or for anything else, you can select Google Drive and it'll allow you to select something from your Google Drive. So when you submit the assignment, to resubmit it, you can click the button here. If you have multiple files to turn in, you could also use resubmit and I'll be able to see all of those files that you've turned in. So the grade section over here should make sense. It's everything that's been graded in Canvas, the different students in the course. And then we have our syllabus here that gives you information about the course, and we'll be going over this during the first week. So that's our Canvas page, and if you have any questions, you can let me know. I'm looking forward to starting up class with you.